Welcome to Sumaya Insight360, an enterprise PMO and audit intelligence platform built for regulated industries. This is the public marketing homepage at sumaya360.com. Visitors can explore capabilities, view careers, or sign into their company workspace. The careers page lists open roles across audit, project delivery, and technology, loaded live from admin reference data. Candidates browse departments and apply without needing an account. The 6-step applicant wizard collects personal details, role preferences, compensation, skills, education, and experience. Submissions flow into the applicants module for hiring team review. Sumaya 360 is invitation only. Users sign in with email and password. After authentication, the system resolves their company and location scope, for example HDFC Bank/Mumbai HQ, and redirects to the role-specific dashboard. Each client engagement runs in a scoped workspace URL, company slug plus location slug. Here we are inside HDFC Bank, Mumbai HQ. The header shows company and site context. All data, projects, audits, vendors, is scoped to this tenant workspace. Apollo Hospital's Hyderabad site is a separate workspace with its own delivery and audit portfolio. The same platform serves multiple companies and locations under one Sumaya tenant. Airtel Dubai office demonstrates international location scoping. Enterprises with regional offices each get a dedicated URL path for audits performed at that site. The admin dashboard provides a complete portfolio view, all clients, projects, audits, revenue, collections, and alerts across the engagement. Projects module, full CRUD for delivery engagements. Filter by industry, health, client. Create new projects, edit existing ones, and drill into sprints, milestones, and metrics. Create Project Wizard captures client, industry, timeline, budget, team assignment, and custom fields configured in admin. Project Detail shows tabs for overview, team, compliance, documents, milestones, concerns, status calls, and sprint reports, the complete delivery control tower. Edit mode lets PMS update scope, dates, budget, and metadata with full audit trail on every change. Project Metrics tracks KPIs, RAG health, velocity, and custom metric categories from reference data. Sprints module supports agile delivery with sprint planning, burn down, and linked milestones. Milestones track deliverables, due dates, sign-off status, and vendor accountability. Global Milestones view aggregates milestones across all projects in this workspace. Audits module manages the full governance lifecycle, regulatory, compliance, IT, and industry-specific standards with findings and remediation. Audit Detail shows scope, auditor assignment, findings severity, evidence, review workflow, and sign-off trail. Audit Templates library includes 10 built-in standards plus custom templates admins can clone and configure. Vendors module onboards delivery partners, category, contracts, team size, and linked projects. Vendor Detail shows profile, projects, team, billing history, and quality scores. Clients module manages external organizations where audits are performed, with slug, industry, contacts, and status. Applicants module reviews careers submissions, pipeline stages, interviews, and deployment onto client engagements. MIS Reports delivers weekly, monthly, and quarterly executive reporting, risks, issues, financials, and audit metrics with PDF export. Create MIS Report Wizard structures narrative sections, KPI tables, and stakeholder distribution lists. Profile page, users update name, contact, password, and notification preferences. Admin settings hub, tenant configuration, branding, and platform preferences. Users and roles, invite, archive, assign roles across 11 role types, from super admin to vendor team. Locations admin links offices and sites to client companies with slugs for URL routing. Industries master drives project and client classification, banking, healthcare, manufacturing, and more. Reference data is the single source of truth for all drop-downs, audit types, currencies, departments, concern categories, applicant roles, and more. No hard-coded values in the UI. Custom fields lets admins extend projects, audits, vendors, and applicants with tenant-defined attributes. Invitations generate single-use invite links, the only way to onboard users. Supports client executives, vendors, auditors, and internal staff. Integrations connects external systems, webhooks, API keys, and sync configuration. Super Admin has identical navigation to Tenant Admin with full cross-tenant visibility. Used for platform operators managing the entire Sumaya 360 estate. The Sumaya Project Manager dashboard focuses on delivery health, active projects, sprint velocity, blockers, and team utilization. PMS manage project execution, create engagements, assign teams, track milestones, and coordinate vendors. PMS view client organizations and engagement history for their portfolio. PMS can send invitations to onboard client stakeholders and vendor team members onto live projects. Lead Auditor dashboard surfaces assigned audits, critical findings, review queue, and compliance deadlines. Lead Auditors manage audit execution, assign auditors, approve findings, and drive sign-off. Auditors see their personal workload, audits in progress, findings to document, and evidence uploads. Reviewers validate audit work papers and findings before escalation to sign-off. Signers and approvers provide final authorization on audit reports and milestone deliverables. Client Executive Dashboard gives banking and enterprise sponsors real-time visibility, project health, vendor performance, open concerns, and audit status for their organization. My Projects shows engagements where the client is the sponsor, RAG status, milestones, sprint summaries, and concern escalation. My Vendors lists delivery partners on client engagements with performance and billing visibility. Client PM has the same portal with deeper project-level controls and milestone tracking. Vendor PM dashboard shows active engagements, team deployment, milestone deadlines, and revenue build. My team manages vendor delivery staff, skills, allocation, rates, and project assignment. Milestones and deliverables tracks what the vendor owes the client, dates, acceptance criteria, and submission status. Billing and invoices covers time entries, rate cards, invoice generation, and payment tracking. Quality assurance monitors defect rates, SLA compliance, and corrective actions. Risk and reports provides risk matrix, issue log, and executive summaries for vendor leadership. Vendor team members see their assignments, timesheets, and task queue without admin controls. Sumaya Insight360, complete PMO delivery, governance audits, vendor management, client and vendor portals, misreporting, and admin masters, all in one multi-tenant platform. Visit sumaya360.com to get started. Thank you for watching.